Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit the menu on Wix. This is wix.com website, and first I will log in to my account. Now that you're inside your Wix account, click on this Edit Site button to go into the Wix website editor. This is your Wix website menu, and to edit it, first click on it with your mouse to select it and click on Manage Menu. This is your current menu items. You can reorder them like that. Let's make the blog page the latest one. As you can see, the changes are displayed instantly. Now I have the blog item, the last in my menu. You can also make a menu item hidden or shown just like that. Click on these three dots and click on hide from menu. As you can see, the menu item is not available in my menu anymore. You can also delete a page from the menu. You can rename it, and in my case I will show it in the menu. To create a drop down, for example, let's say that I want to have the forum item under the blog item. What I will do is I will go to the manage menu and I will hit Subpage. As you can see, now the blog is under contact. If I want to have the forum below also content, I can drag and move it like that. And let's say I want to reset to 0. All I need to do is to take it from the sub page and move it a little bit to the left side, just like that. Same thing with the blog. If you want to create a drop down menu, click on this little icon. It's called drop down title. Give your drop down a name, for example, more. Click on done, and now you can move items below it. Now my visitors will have to hover over more in order to see my blog item in the menu. We will see that after we publish our editing. You can also add a menu item from this page. You can create a new page, create a new link. For example, let's give it, for example, Instagram. This is the name and my bed. Here it should have my Instagram link, for example, Instagram/profile or /Ben's Experience. Click on done. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting, like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Click on done, and you can give your new link a name. For example, let's call it Instagram. Click on done. And this is how to add a menu link or a link inside my menu items. You can also edit the layout of your menu inside the header. Click on layout. You can edit the text alignment from left to center to the right. You can also align the items inside your menu and select the item direction from left to right or right to left. And this is how to edit your menu inside Wix. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. And also don't forget to hit this publish button to not lose your editing. Let's view my website live. This is my menu and this is the Instagram link. And let's check the more now, and below or under more I have my blog and also my gallery. And this is how to edit menu inside your Wix website. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.